Let's get real. Procurement is not the sexiest topic in the world. And SMEs, well, they would agree. What they want to talk about is sales. They want to talk about operations and they want to talk about strategy. Procurement, just something that should be cheap and easy. And even so, they don't see a lot of potential because they don't believe they have a lot of buying power. This means they're buying too expensive, and that leaves a lot of unclaimed savings opportunities on the table. So what are their options? Well, they have two. They can either acquire a workflow automation platform. This saves time, but it doesn't actually generate any real savings in and by itself. This is where a lot of VC money is going, and there are a lot of these solutions out there today. Alternatively, they can hire a consultant. They deliver the savings, but they are very expensive and take a long time. I'm Mads Seidler. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Groundly, and I actually used to be a top-tier procurement consultant. Here I am in Texas 13 years ago on a car park, blowing off some steam before going into yet another 16-hour workday in Excel to save a company, a global service company, more than 13% on their procurement cost. And in those 13 years, procurement really hasn't changed all that much. That is why I co-founded Groundly. To bring white glove procurement consultancy into SMEs at software pricing. We have developed the first platform to scan and categorize spend on an invoice line level, therefore making it possible to identify savings. We are seeing the results already on with our clients. One customer, we analyzed tens of thousands of invoices and saved them more than 1.6 million euro. So what is our business model? We charge 30,000 euro, a license fee, to access the platform. And then Peter and myself charge 100,000 euro to provide white glove procurement consultancy to actually realize these savings. And the future of Groundly is in combining these two into a fully automated platform that allows SMEs to save millions in their spend through our supplier network and platform at a click of a button. SMEs love us. We're growing 20% month on month, and we expect to reach 1 million euro ARR by the end of next year. But the potential is much bigger. In the Nordics alone, via our ERP and system integrations, we can access more than 1 million customers, but globally, 90% of businesses are SMEs. We have the team to make this come true. We have experienced procurement professionals, AI and tech specialists, as well as exited founders. Now we're raising 1.65 million euro seed round to go to 2 million euro ARR within the next 18 months. So if you are as hungry about procurement as I am, then come help us help SMEs make procurement cheap and easy. Thank you.